Hello students, myself S.K. Jadhav from Department of Electronic Science, KTHM College, Nasik. In this module, you will learn the definition of an optical fiber, the process of communicating using fiber optics, elements of an optical fiber transmission link, and the block diagram of fiber optic communication system. Let us now discuss the definition of an optical fiber. An optical fiber is a thin, flexible, transparent fiber that acts as a dielectric waveguide or light pipe to transmit light between the two ends of the fiber. It is a device or a tube, if bent or if terminated to radiate energy, is called a waveguide. This fiber waveguide is normally cylindrical in form. It is a glass or plastic fiber that carries light along its length, and it works on the principle of total internal reflection, that is TIR. Now you know that optical fibers are widely used in fiber optic communications because it transmit or it permits transmission over longer distances and at a higher bandwidths or higher data rates than other forms of communications. Fibers are used instead of metal wires because signals travel along them with less loss and are also immune to electromagnetic interference. This type of communication can transmit voice, video, and telemetry through local area networks, computer networks, or across long distances. Optical fiber is used by many telephone or telecommunication companies to transmit telephone signals, internet communication, and cable television signals. Process of communicating using fiber optics. The process of communicating using fiber optics involves the following basic steps. The first step is to convert an electrical input signal to an optical signal. That means creating the optical signal involving the use of a transmitter, usually from an electrical signal. Then the second step is to send the optical signal over an optical fiber, that means relaying the signal along the fiber, ensuring that the signal does not become too distorted or weak. Then the third step is receiving the optical signal, and the fourth is converting it into an electrical signal. Then what are the basic elements of fiber optic communication system? The basic elements of optical fiber communication system are light signal transmitter, information channel, that is optical fiber cable, that means light information is transmitted through optical fiber cable, and the third important part is receiver. Now let us discuss the block diagram of fiber optic communication system. An optical fiber communication system is similar in basic concept to any type of communication system. You know that the function of communication system is to convey the signal from the information source over the transmission medium to the destination. The communication system therefore consists of a transmitter or modulator which is linked to the information source, the transmission medium, and a receiver or demodulator at the destination point. Optic means light signal. So, signal can be transmitted as a light signal from one place to another. It involves transmission of signal in the form of light from one point to another. It has transmitting and receiving circuitry, light source, and detector device. So, now we will see a block diagram of fiber optic communication system. In this block diagram, you are having a transmitter circuitry and receiver circuitry part. In the transmitter circuitry part, we are giving the input data as a electrical signal. In the transmitter circuitry, which is used to convert this electrical signal to light signal with the help of light source. The light source, it may be either LED or laser. So, the output of the optical source, that is the light signal, which will be transmitted through the fiber optic cable, and it will be received in the receiver circuitry with the help of the detector, which is used to convert the light signal as again in electrical signal. So, the receiver output will be the electrical signal. Now, we will see the block diagram, that means function of each block one by one. The first one is the information source. In electrical communications, the information source provides an electrical signal which is usually derived from a message signal, and it is not in terms of electrical. That means it may be any physical parameter such as temperature, pressure, sound, or volume, etc. Generally, origin of information source is from a transducer that converts a non-electrical message into an electrical signal. For example, suppose the message signal is in the form of sound. Then the microphone acts like an input transducer which converts sound energy into an electrical energy in terms of voltage or currents. Another example is video or TV or pictures or video cameras, which is used for converting images or pictures into current or voltage. Then In case of computer or data transfer between computers, the message is already in electrical form. Then this electrical signal is then given to the transmitter circuitry containing electrical and electronic components, which converts the signal into a suitable form for propagation over the transmission medium. That means it converts the electrical message into the proper format and drives an optical source. This is often achieved by modulating a carrier by using an electromagnetic wave. The next important component is the optical source. The optical source output is in the form of light, which is intensity modulated by the information. The role of optical source is to convert the electrical signal into an optical signal. The source may be either semiconductor laser or light emitting diode, that is LED. Then the next important component is optical fiber cable. That means the transmission medium consists of an optical fiber cable. The intensity modulated signal or light signal is then coupled to fiber. The fiber, which is made up of glass, acts as a channel between the transmitter and receiver. Then the next component is optical detector. At the receiver, the optical signal is detected by the optical detectors such as PN detector, PIN detector, or avalanche photodiode. Sometimes phototransistors and photoconductors are also used for the detection of the optical signal and for converting an optical signal into electrical signal. And then the electrical signal is again processed and given to the transducer, or you can say output transducer, to get the original information or original signal back. That means signal is again demodulated. That means electrical signal is again converted into the original signal by using output transducers such as loudspeaker. In this model, you have learned the definition of optical fiber, then communication link between the optical fiber, the components of optical fiber such as transmitter, communication channel, that is optical fiber cable, and the receiver, and also the block diagram and the components of fiber optic communication. Thank you.